Looking for the best air fryer for bake results? Today we're testing the best air fryer for bake to see which model truly nails crispy crusts, even browning, and consistent temperatures, helping you bake like a pro without turning on your oven. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. Instant Pot 6QT VORTEX Plus Air Fryer. If you want one appliance that handles everything from crispy wings to gooey desserts, the Instant Pot 6QT VORTEX Plus deserves a serious look. With 6 cooking functions, air fry, bake, roast, broil, dehydrate, and reheat, it easily replaces several countertop gadgets while requiring little to no preheating time. The adjustable temperature range of 95 to 400 degrees Fahrenheit gives you real control, whether you're aiming for a delicate, gooey center or a deep golden crust. What stands out most is how approachable it is day to day. One-touch presets take the guesswork out of today chicken wings or cinnamon buns, and the intuitive touchscreen keeps you informed at every stage, so you're never left wondering what's happening inside. The 6-quart capacity is genuinely family-sized, comfortably handling 6 portions, which makes it ideal for weeknight dinners, side dishes, or batch meal prepping. Its stainless steel finish also means it doesn't look out of place on a modern countertop. It actually elevates the look of your kitchen. Thanks to Even Crisp technology, you get that satisfying crunch using up to 95% less oil than traditional deep frying.
Number 2. Emeril Lagasse Toaster Oven. The Emeril Lagasse Toaster Oven is built for people who want an air fryer and multi-cooker rolled into one reliable machine. It's genuinely versatile, capable of handling everything from quick after-school snacks to full roasts for larger gatherings, which makes it a smart pick for busy households. One detail that stands out is the toast timer. The oven automatically shuts off once the countdown ends, so burnt toast becomes a thing of the past. A simple indicator light, red while toasting, blue when finished, keeps you informed without needing to hover nearby. Cooking performance benefits from a dual-speed fan that circulates superheated air at 360 degrees, delivering that golden, crispy finish home cooks look for, whether you're making fries, chicken, or vegetables. Beyond function, this unit doesn't skimp on style. Its stainless steel exterior gives it a polished, upscale look that fits naturally into any kitchen, and the elegant French doors open with a single pull, adding a nice tactile touch to the experience. An interior light lets you monitor your food as it cooks, so you can check progress without opening the doors and losing heat.
Number 3. Cuisinart Dishwasher Air Fryer. The Cuisinart Dishwasher Air Fryer is a strong choice for anyone who needs serious capacity without sacrificing precision. Its 6-quart interior can comfortably fit a 4-pound chicken, 2 pounds of fries, 3 pounds of wings, 8 cups of vegetables, or even an 8-inch round cake pan, making it flexible enough for both savory meals and baked goods. With 5 cooking functions, air fry, roast, bake, broil, and keep warm, it covers most of what a home cook needs from a single appliance. The 5 built-in air fry presets, including French fries, wings, vegetables, frozen snacks, and leftovers, take the guesswork out of common meals and help ensure consistent results every time. Performance-wise, this unit doesn't hold back. 1,800 watts of power and adjustable temperatures up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit give it the muscle to handle high-heat cooking, while the automatic warming mode keeps food at the ideal temperature after cooking finishes.
Number 4. Ninja Air Fryer with Air Crisp. The Ninja Air Fryer with Air Crisp is designed for people who want fast, healthier fried food without complicating their kitchen setup. At the core of its performance is Air Crisp technology, which circulates air at 400 degrees Fahrenheit to create that satisfying crispy texture using little to no oil. With 4 customizable cooking functions, air fry, roast, reheat, and dehydrate, it offers solid versatility backed by a powerful 1,750-watt motor built for frequent, everyday use. Despite its compact footprint, the 5-quart non-stick basket and crisper plate offer generous capacity, holding up to 4 pounds of fries or 5 pounds of chicken wings, which is more than enough for most family meals. Health-conscious cooks will appreciate that this model uses up to 75% less fat than traditional air frying methods, tested directly against hand-cut, deep-fried fries, a meaningful difference for anyone trying to cut back on oil. It also excels with frozen foods, transforming them into a crispy, ready-to-eat finish in just minutes.
Ninja clearly designed this unit with modern kitchens in mind, keeping the footprint small without compromising on capacity.
Number 5. Cosori 9-in-1 TurboBlaze Air Fryer. The Cosori 9-in-1 TurboBlaze Air Fryer stands out for combining speed, versatility, and smart features in a single compact unit. Its TurboBlaze technology significantly boosts cooking efficiency, making it a great option for busy weeknights when you need a full meal on the table fast. With 9 cooking modes, including air fry, roast, bake, broil, dehydrate, frozen, proof, reheat, and keep warm, it effectively replaces an oven, microwave, and dehydrator, cutting down on both counter clutter and cooking time. The 5-speed airflow system is a highlight, consistently delivering golden, crispy exteriors while keeping the inside of your food juicy and tender. Despite offering a generous 6-quart capacity suitable for family-sized meals, the design remains impressively compact, so it won't dominate your countertop. One of its most useful extras is access to over 100 app-based recipes, complete with nutrition facts like calories, carbs, protein, and fat content, plus smart tracking to help you stay on top of daily dietary goals. That wraps up our look at the best air fryer for bake, from the family-sized Instant Pot VORTEX to the versatile Cosori TurboBlaze. Whichever model you choose, you'll get crispy results with less oil. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and see you next time.